Hello, my name is Ken Novenstern, and I'm doing this video in collaboration with Melissa Goodstein. Melissa and I are both officers of the New York Association of Collaborative Professionals and colleagues and friends, and have known each other now since about 2005. And it's been my pleasure to know and work with Melissa. Melissa just did a video on finding a collaborative attorney and the requirements for being a collaborative attorney and the importance of selecting someone who has the training and background and experience to properly represent you in a collaborative matter. I am going to talk a little bit about the process of selecting and engaging a collaborative attorney and how the role of the collaborative attorney differs from my role when I'm in litigation representing someone in a divorce action. So first of all, in terms of selecting an attorney, typically what we would do is meet either on Zoom or in person and discuss your situation. I would get some basic information and you'd have the opportunity to, make decisions, make assessments concerning my knowledge, concerning how we interact and whether we would work well together. And then, it'll be up to you to decide whether you select me as your collaborative attorney or continue to look. Once you've made your decision to select a collaborative attorney, you will be entering into a retainer agreement, which is consistent with the requirements of the New York Association of Collaborative Professionals and includes a disqualification requirement in the event that one party decides to litigate and terminate the collaborative process. And once you sign that agreement, then it's really a question of engaging your spouse in the collaborative process. I can provide names of other collaborative attorneys who would work well with your spouse. You also have the ability to direct them to the NYACP website, nycollaborativeprofessionals.org. That's a bit of a mouthful. And once both attorneys have been retained, both collaborative attorneys, then it would be a matter of starting the collaborative process and scheduling the first meeting. And we can talk about the first meeting at the consultation and in another video. In regard to my role as a collaborative attorney, and how it differs from how I would handle a litigation. In litigation, it's normal to become aligned with your client and take positions and make arguments on behalf of your client. And as we know with litigation, it can be more acrimonious. It can go down a path that is different from the path that we take in collaborative. In collaborative, I find that I have much more freedom in a way to be myself, but also to give my own opinions and to express those opinions not only to my client, but also in front of the other spouse, the other collaborative attorney. And the goal in collaborative is to really work together as a group to come up with options, alternatives, ways of dealing with tricky issues, and working out the terms of an agreement that comport with the wishes of both parties and the goals of both parties. So in collaborative, I really appreciate that freedom and the opportunity to work together as a group, in contrast to litigation where we're really working one side against the other and trying to convince a judge as to which one of us is right. So if you're interested in collaborative law, please feel free to contact me at Fredman, Baken, and Novenstern LLP in White Plains and Mount Kisco, New York. And I look forward to working on another part of our series with Melissa. And I look forward to talking with you. Take care.